Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Have you ever wondered what would happen if you were faced with an emergency situation and spent half your time figuring out how to avoid acting on it? Well, in today's video, we'll discuss some inventions that could help you save yours or someone else's life. The world is advancing, and so are diseases, criminals, natural disasters, and all the other bad stuff in general. Hence, today, we have compiled these innovative devices for you that might save you from bigger harm. Let's jump in with our life jackets for the video. Floss Escape Kit. The first one on our list is an underwater dental floss kit that might look like a normal floss kit, but it's actually a pretty smart way to incorporate escape items in a portable size. Made in the US, this product is designed in a way that could be very useful for spy agents or even for a victim of kidnapping or rape. This portable kit has a 6-foot Kevlar cable that comes out after 18 inches of normal dental floss and phenomenal cutting ability that can cut through any zip ties, ropes, etc. Not to mention a portable plastic handcuff key and a 2-foot escape wire saw made of diamond wire that can cut through anything no matter how difficult it is. Well, that's a lot of clean sweeping, pun intended. Overall, the Floss Escape Kit is a great way to prepare yourself for emergencies, as it can be conveniently carried around and provides access to essential tools that can help you quickly break out of tough binds. Fireball extinguishers. Imagine you're working in your home and the fire breaks out all of a sudden. Maybe a short circuit caused it, or maybe something on the stove caught fire. Traditional fire extinguishers require proper space to be kept. What if they are not accessible to you at the moment? Fireball extinguishers are here to solve this problem for you. These innovative fire extinguishers are lightweight and portable. They do not require proper storage to be kept, as they are specifically made to be easily reachable. The ball's small size might make you wonder how it will be able to put the fire out immediately. They operate in a different manner. The powerful agent contained within the ball will activate as soon as it is thrown onto the fire-affected area. The real reason these are considered life-saving inventions is that they can put out a fire before it gets out of control, especially in small spaces such as a kitchen. Escape bracelet. What if you've trapped in your car with locked doors and windows? Don't worry, because this glass breaker escape bracelet is here to help. An escape bracelet is a life-saving gadget, as it has an integrated tool to break open the window of a car or help you in any other emergency situation. This lightweight device is made up of an elastic cord and has a hard center bead made of tungsten carbide, a compound particularly used to impart hardness to metals, ceramics, and other materials, making it an ideal choice for a glass breaker. The bracelet features an adjustment system that can be custom fitted to any hand. This easy-to-use escape tool functions by folding your fingers like a slingshot, stretching the cord, and shooting the bead. It could easily break any glass window without much of an effort. The developers also claim that it could work on any hard glass too. What makes this product even more extraordinary is that it is incredibly affordable. This is a one-of-a-kind item and it retails for just $7. It can be a crucial tool in survival situations where traditional means are unavailable. Pluta. Next up, we have a very oddly named invention called Pluta. It's a device that provides the utmost safety underwater. This device is great for people who love swimming but are scared of drowning, as well as for beginners who might sink easily in early practice sessions. While swimming, if you feel like you can't get out of the water, you just need to squeeze its bands, and the sensors will respond to your touch by filling 2 rescue bags with air. And just like that, you will be saved from drowning in minutes. This easy and simple device retails for $70 to $120, which is very cost-effective, keeping in mind that it's a life-saving device. The estimate of deaths caused by drowning worldwide in a year is a whopping 320,000. It is also the 3rd leading cause of fatal injuries. The developers of Pluta have designed it in such a way that it is not only safe and easy to use, but also doesn't interfere with your swimming. It will not cause the swimmer to feel the extra weight underwater. This device is small and worn around the neck. It can be worn by kids and adults as a length is adjustable, and hence everyone could benefit from it. Survival capsule. The global climate is changing dramatically, and as a result, hundreds of earthquakes, storms, and tsunamis are causing disasters and claiming many lives. And for your safety, the developers have come up with the survival capsule. As the name implies, a survival capsule is a round metal capsule that can float in tsunamis and storms. and can save all those lives that are at stake because of these natural disasters. Up until now, we have only heard about time capsules in science fiction movies and cartoons. The survival capsule comes in multiple models and can fit up to 10 adults, depending on the capsule size. The capsule is considered a variable disaster solution, which means it can change position according to the water depth. It is sufficient to hold 5 people at once, along with safety seats with harness straps. It also has its own tank, an internal lighting system, and proper air ventilation. With adequate supplies, you can comfortably survive in the capsule. It has a hard strain support and doors and windows that only open from the inside. All in all, this type of capsule is highly advanced and equipped with the necessary features to make it suitable for life in extreme circumstances. Freefall. Talking about earthquakes and natural disasters, the following invention is all about saving people from high-rise buildings during a fire or earthquake in a matter of minutes. This free-fall slide is designed in Bangladesh with the help of an artificial intelligence-based emergency evacuation system that can save up to 100 people in just a minute, be they kids, young adults, or older people. It can either be installed permanently or taken out immediately when needed. Sky Spider. A device that could make you feel like Spider-Man? Yes, you heard that right. When a building is on fire and you can barely find any doors, stairways, or emergency exits to escape, Sky Spider will be there for your rescue. The Sky Spider is a revolutionary device that, along with saving your life, allows you to feel like the web-slinging Marvel hero. It is a bag with a rope which can be stretched out and can be clamped on any hard surface. And that's it, you can just jump down. Frankly, this still sounds like a movie stunt to us, and not like something that is achievable in real life. But that is how far the world's inventions have come. It can go up to 90 meters and carry up to 185 pounds of weight. It has a built-in speed system that controls the speed of the person coming down, thus preventing injuries. These inventions have proven to be life-saving in various emergency drills all around the world and are now available for general public use too. In an emergency situation, these products could really come in handy and help a person save their life. Life is precious, and being stuck in a harmful situation because of a life-threatening disaster can be a really traumatizing experience. Well, this brings us to the end of our video. Let us know in the comments about the inventions that fascinated you the most. Make sure to like our video and subscribe to our channel. This boosts the algorithm and motivates us to create more videos like this. See you next time.